What's up guys, today I'm gonna tell you how to make the wheel saber effect and how you can make change its color and this and all of it. Make sure to watch till the end of the video and yeah, let's get on with it. Alright, so first you're gonna get your clips ready and then add a speed ramp on it. So this is the clip where we're gonna do the saber effect. Right, so first you're gonna get any of the saber effects. There are plenty of circle saber effect, you can get them on YouTube, but I'll link this one in the comments. So first what you're gonna do, put this here. Okay, so first thing, this one is like really slow, like you see it's like really slow. So what I recommend is just like speeding it up, or if you like want it to match with the clip, what you can do is you can go to speed, curve, and basically apply the same speed ramp on this one. Make sure to turn on smooth slow-mo and cut it out like this. So now this is what you have. Now it looks like it's matched with it. Alright, so next what you're gonna do, you're gonna select this, go down, make sure this is checked on, and then press mode, and then press green, like that. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna uncheck this, check this, check this, check this, check this. And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna like, you know, make it match with the rim, like this. And just keep going on with the video and keep fixing it. Alright, so this is what we have. It's not really good, so again you can like fix the part where it just isn't really correct. Just keep doing this and until you eventually get it. And yeah, there you have it, your saber effect. Okay, another thing, there are like these little edges you see here that looks disgusting. So it depends on what type of saber effect you're using, like what type of video you're using for the saber. But if you're using mine, there's gonna be like these little edges here that just looks bad. So how to fix it, you just go to video and mask circle and bring this like something here and make the feather like 4, 3, yeah, like that. And yeah, it fixes the problem. And another thing, if you wanna change the color of your saber effect, it can be any saber effect. So if you want to change the color, you gotta go to adjustment, put this all the way, saturation all the way to 0, then press Alt plus G on your keyboard, or just right click this and press create compound clip. This is what you're gonna get. What you're gonna do, you're gonna go to video, basic, and then select screen again, and now you're gonna go to adjustment, color wheel, and then you can just like mess with the tint to get whatever color you like. You can also go to basic and like mess with its saturation, this, you get the point. And yeah, there you have your saber effect.